Now, I want us to look at the Asians, I want us to look at the Europeans, and I want us to look at us. Do you guys see any difference? I'm talking about when it comes to being united, when it comes to seeing one another like brothers and sisters. Now, if you take a look at the Asians sees themselves as one people. The Asians consider themselves one people. Now, let me tell you all something. There was a company that I was working there, and this company, it is being controlled by the Chinese. It was the Chinese that came there and opened the juice company, and I was working there. I was doing a labor work there, and let me tell you all something. Chinese are more united. They will never see their brothers getting hurt and start smiling. They will always stand and fight for their brother, even if their brother is at the wrong. Like, let me just give you an example. Like, maybe one of their brothers get into a fight with an African like me. The first thing that they will come and do is they will first of all come to support their brother, to defend their brother, before they will now ask what happened later. We can also see that from the Europeans. Now, I'm not saying that they do not have conflict among themselves. No, we are humans, and of course we must have conflict among ourselves. But what I am saying is that when it comes to defending their fellow brothers and sisters, they do it 100%, 10 times more better than how we do it. Instead, we see our fellow brothers and sisters as the enemy. We see them like some other group of black people are superior to some other group of black people. When we see our brothers and sisters getting into a fight, with if there is a means for us to even go and add on to it to prosecute our brothers and sisters, we are going to do it instead of protecting them and always stand for them. So that is the main reason why I want us to talk on this video today. I have watched some videos here on YouTube of black YouTubers that they go to these Asian countries, they go to South America, they go to Europe, and they are like, okay, let us try to ask these people what the first thing that comes in their mind when they hear of black person or when they see a black person. And most of their response was, with the first thing that comes to our mind when we see a black person, it is maybe good at singing or hip hop, Afro pop. They are good at dancing. They are good at sports, basketball, running, and other stuff. And it is like so many people only believe that we are good at those ones, but when it comes to inventions, when it comes to technology in the society, we are not there, which is really false. All right. The main reason why this narrative is like this, it is because the motherland, the African continent, is still like this. We have not united in order to do things in unity. That is why many people think that black people have nothing to offer rather than sports and hip hop and other stuff. Now, I'm doing this video to let you all know that we black people, we are gifted in so many things, and I believe we are the smartest people on the planet. In as much as we are divided, we are not going to achieve great things in this our present generations, because our ancestors achieved so many great things that is why they are trying to hide them in this our present generations. And that is the main reason why they scattered us. Even the Bible itself talked about when people are united, they will achieve great things. 2 hands are 10 times more better than 1 hand. We need to come together in unity, more especially when it comes to the African continent. If you are a person that you have discovered something, that maybe you have discovered an invention, I want you to come to Africa, take an African citizenship, and start creating what you have tried to invent here in Africa. Do not do it somewhere else. Come to Africa and build Africa.